Yo, what's really good, guys? Today we are reviewing the C-17, and I know what you guys might be thinking. Is there first class? Absolutely not. However, there is a cargo bay. We're off to a rough start in this trip because we were supposed to take off initially. As you can see in this clip right here, we're about to take off here, and all of a sudden we lift off, but then we go right back down, round two. So we're waiting to lift off again. And the reason why we didn't lift off the first time was because the comfort pallet was not secured. You might be asking what a comfort pallet is. I'll show you guys here shortly. It's the restroom, and also there's a kitchen here. So we're going to talk about all the amenities of the C-17. So we're about to take off right now. Alright, here is a C-17 cargo bay. Now it's all-inclusive seats going sideways, as you can tell. Not really much room except for a little chair right here. And it does extend out, you know, give you a little bit more butt space, but the butt space really doesn't do much for you. Kind of like makes your butt hurt even more. I'm just chilling, you know. We just took off, and now I'm going to show you guys what the restroom looks like. We're allowed to walk around. That's a good thing compared to a regular 77 or a 777 where we could use a restroom. So here's a restroom, and I told you guys I'm going to show you guys what it looked like. As you could tell, as soon as you walk in, it does not smell good at all. It smelled like fish, and the fact that it's so cramped in there makes you not want to go number two. Now, keep in mind when you're on these C-17s, there is no smoking, but you want to have something to wipe your hands with as well. And look at this, oh, blue-colored flush. Yeah, that's grandiose right there. They don't give you pretty good food on here. They give me an Uncrustable. I'll take it. In-flight services like movies, you know, they really don't offer it, but someone brought the projector. I thought it was awesome. Can't even hear anything. This is me enjoying the Uncrustable. I thought it was delicious because it was strawberry with peanut butter. No chocolate. Can't complain. Some more in-flight entertainment. They were playing Harry Potter the whole 8 hours. So I really couldn't complain because well, who doesn't love Harry Potter, right? The water on board, however, I would not recommend you drink from the coolers. This is my own personal stash of water because the cooler water can give you diarrhea. All right, so it was kind of cold, so I just grabbed my jacket, threw it on my legs, and they gave out chips. Chips were okay. You know, there was nothing else to eat. Brand hairs, I don't know. I've never heard of them, but they're okay. And yeah, so this is us just chilling some more. And you might be asking what it looks like outside. Alright, look, this is what it looks like. That's our only window to the outside world. I mean, nothing but clouds. Alright, so that is the tour of the C-17. 8-hour flight. You know, not really much going on. Just me chilling again. But besides that, you know, I usually fly business class. This in no means is business class standard, but the fact that we can lay on the floor if we wanted to sleep makes it business class standard for me. Enjoyed that video. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.